We start copy trading again, and our Binance right now it is at zero. We will fund it with profits. So we are doing copy trading and also trading with automated bots. So it's copy trading and automated bots, and make sure you join free classes. Link is in bio, and if you comment to my videos, you will be able to get free capital. So make sure you comment Runquilly trading bots. Okay, now we get to it. We are using automated bots in Runquilly. Make sure you navigate to your browser and search runquilly.com, and you verify your email and KYC. Then fund your account using your external wallet. Can be Binance, Cash App, Bybit, or any other external wallet. For those who are in America, you can use Binance US. So after that, you'll come to your trading bots. Remember, it is AI automated bots. So we'll start our challenge today with 500, and we'll be doing copy trading. So I'll share my trades with a code, and you don't have to pay nothing. So make sure you are in my classes, you join and you chat me so that you can be getting the code as soon as possible. I had analyzed the market, and we'll be using Pulse Trader bot. Before that, I want to show you that withdrawal is very fast. My transaction history, I made a withdrawal of 10,002 USDTs. You can see the date and time, May 19, 8:53 East African time, and it was approved actually to my Binance account. For those who follow me, I send the proof there, and so many are making withdrawals. Actually, I do post some proofs and testimonies of withdrawal. So we'll come to our trading bot without much stories, and as I said, we'll be using, which bot is this? Pulse Trader. So let's get to it before anything changes. And as you can see, 443.5 thousand, not 100, not what people are using this bot right now. So I'll enter my capital of 500. That's my stake, and you said that we use take profit and stop loss. So we'll set take profit of 1,000% and a stop loss of 120%. After that, we'll start our bot. Then navigate to copy trading. Start our bot, then navigate to copy trading. But before that, let's check the logs. We see how the trade is doing, and the first trade was between Ethereum and USDT, and we made 23.39 USDT profits. That's in profit. Another loss of 2. This one is the first loss, so it is 1 win, 1 loss, but the PNL remains to 21.22. So we wait for another one, then we do copy trading. I don't want to prolong this video. We made 10 USDTs profit very fast. Our PNL is at 31. So we navigate to copy trading. This is the reason I tell you that you should be in my Telegram or WhatsApp, because I do send the codes there. But today I'll pin the code in this video, so make sure you use it to trade. So you can see share, and I'm not the only one sharing these trades actually. You can see so many people are sharing, but we'll have to pay. Also, maybe next month we'll start paying for these trades. Actually, will be sending me around $10, $20 for you to copy trade. So use this opportunity. So just copy. I'll just copy the code. Where's that code? Here's the code, and I'll share it on Telegram and WhatsApp live. Everything is live actually. We'll see how many people will be requesting, and how many people will be viewing my video on Telegram. So actually, I've only shared it on WhatsApp. Let's see if WhatsApp people are active, and you can see the first one, Gino Otieno. He's somewhere, I don't know that country. Staked 13,673. Another one, Fini, 13,266. 1,000. Hey, you guys today are serious. Should I approve this? Let's reject below 100 first. You can see the requests are coming. This is from WhatsApp only. So let me from Ghana 1,000. I know the from Ghana again to 22 25,000. Is it 225,000? What? Wow. Okay, our PNL is at 64. Let me screenshot and share the code on Telegram because time is ticking. So guys, we've shared on Telegram. You can see the live views. Actually, today we'll be doing a live poll to see where we are heading. If we see how many people are making withdrawals and those who are not making withdrawals, we see how we can help you. So 21 views. Let's get at least 100. 100, guys. Guys, it is 10. It's 10. Don't fail me. It's 10. 41, it's 10. You know what we do at 10. 46. And if you're not okay with the 10, we can adjust the time because I know many of you are hustling. This one below 100, this one is not for you. We'll be doing above at least 300. But if you have 100 USDTs and you want to trade with it, this one is 20,000. You just side chat me first, special request, then I'll approve your request. So I'll try to approve some. That one is from Japan. I think Japan. I don't know, from Brazil. I know that one. Okay, the next video, I'll do a next video in a few. We withdraw our profits, some of our profits, let's say 200. I'll be making so many withdrawals as possible so that we kill the doubt. So make sure you send your request and I'll approve ASAP.